and sing with me. Will, future is easy. I will learn, I will try. I will start and I will fly. Will means tomorrow, will means soon. Will is dancing in our tune. I will speak English, you will speak too. He will read a story, she will write with you. We will study, they will play. We will learn new words every day. I will go to school, you will come with me. He will listen carefully, she will feel happy. We'll tell the future what we plan to do. I will learn today and you will learn too. I will, you will, he will too. She will, we will, they will do. Will means future, will means soon. I will sing a happy tune. I won't stop, I won't cry, I will learn, I will try. Oh, the phone is ringing, I will answer now. The room is very dark, I will turn the light on. You look very tired, I will make some tea. The bag is very heavy, I will help, you'll see. When I decide right now, I use will today. I will do it now, that is what I say. I will cook, I will bake, I will clean the table. I will take a break. Will you come? Yes, I will. Will you stay? Yes, I will. Will he work? Yes, he will. Will she dance? Yes, she will. Will we learn? Yes, we will. Will they sing? Yes, they will. Ask about the future, start with will. Will you try again? Yes, I will. I will, you will, he will too. She will, we will, they will do. Will means future, will means soon. I will sing a happy tune. I won't stop, I won't cry, I will learn, I will try. I will be kind, I will help my friend. I will keep my promise until the end. I will call you later, I will meet you there. I will listen to you because I care. I will not forget, I won't be late. I will do my homework, I will not wait. When I make a promise, will is strong and true. I will be there, I promise you. You need some water, I will bring it fast. You need a chair, I will move it at last. You need a camera, I will find one today. You need a map, I will show the way. I will help you practice, I will train with you. I will be your partner and your teammate too. When I offer help, I use will with care. I will help you now, I will always share. Look at the sky, it will rain today. Look at that runner, he will win the race. She studies every morning, she will speak very well. They practice every evening, they will have stories to tell. The little plant will grow, the sun will shine. If we work together, everything will be fine. When I think the future, I can say what I feel. It will be easy, it will be real. I will not stop, I won't stop. I will not cry, I won't cry. He will not run away, he won't run away. She will not give up, she won't give up today. We will not lose hope, we won't lose hope. They will not be afraid, they won't say no. Will not is long, won't is short. Say it, clap it, learn this part. I won't wait, I won't stall. I will stand up, I will give my all. I will learn, I'll learn today. You will come, you'll come this way. He will speak, he'll speak with me. She will smile, she'll feel free. We will start, we'll start again. They will finish, they'll say amen. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, will, they'll. Short and simple, sing it well. Will you help me please? Will you open the door? Will you say that again? Will you read one more? Will you listen to me? Will you answer too? Will you practice with me? I will practice with you. Will you be my partner? Will you join my team? Will you dream with me? Let's build a dream. When I ask politely, Will can help me say, will you help me please, in a friendly way? I will, you will, he will too. She will, we will, What shows an offer? Yes, I can. What makes a question? What makes it right? What makes tomorrow feel alright? I won't stop, I won't cry, I will learn, I will try. Will you learn English? Yes, I will. Will you try again? Yes, I will. Will you speak today? Yes, I will. Will you sing this song? Yes, I will.